Hey, good morning, everybody. I'm trying to do a review on this belt that I just got off online. An old friend of mine, been doing business with her for over 5 years, never gave me no problem. Usually I be getting all these belts from her. Got these two Versace belts right here. It's the best quality I ever seen. Comparing them online with the original ones. Very nice quality belts. Very nice material. Nice. Comes with the line in the hole. Serial number in the back. Very good quality. I recommend this person. Very good belts. Comes with the dust bag, everything. Versace. I also got this belt right here. One of my favorite ones. With gold studs everywhere in the belt. Very nice, very delicate. The leather's so soft. The lines in the holes too. Serial number right here. Very good quality. No, que la persona que me la vende quiere que yo